Hello everybody, my name is Eliseo, and at this moment I'm going to talk about how we can integrate the Web 2.0 in the curriculum class. Okay, this is the materials designed for virtual environments. The topic that I chosen is the present continuous tense. Okay, the present continuous tense. This is a virtual class in order to teach the present continuous tense. The main idea of this class, the main idea in this class, the main idea is to present the importance of the Web 2.0 to be used in one class in order to teach a specific topic, and also how this tool can be integrated in a virtual class or virtual environment. Introduction. In this class, we are going to talk about how we can use the present continuous tense in a correct way and in what times can be used correctly. What is the present continuous? What is the present continuous tense? Okay, the definition is that the present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are taking place at the time of the speaking. So, the easiest way to introduce these tenses is to carry out action. For example, what action I was doing before? Uh, I was reading. This means that at this moment I am reading the definition of the present continuous tense. For example, dear students, when I I was when I am reading the present continuous tense used to describe action that. This means that the action that I am doing at this moment is reading. So the sentences would be I am reading. I am reading. More examples. For example, I asked the student that sit down and pick up a book. What action are you doing at this moment? You are opening a book. Now I will ask you that you beginning to read the book. So what action are you doing at this moment? You are reading a book. Now repeat after me. I'm reading a book. This is an action that you are doing at this moment. We're going to know more about the present continuous tense. Now, here we count some points. For example, the first point is the present continuous is used in several instances. For example, to describe something which is happening at the exact moment of the speech. In this example, we have the boy is crying or smiling. For example, there is a boy that is crying for some situation. The correct sentence in the present continuous tense is that the boy is crying, or if the boy is smiling, the sentence is would be the boy is smiling. This example is similar to what it before we were speaking. The other point is to describe an action that is taking place now, but not at the exact moment of the speech. In this example, to this point, we have that he is working in England or he is studying in the United States. We're, we're going to know more about the present continuous tense. Okay, the next point is to describe an event planned in the future. For example, or the example to this plan, to this the example to this point is I am registering my French exam on Tuesday. We follow. The next point is to describe an action that is taking place now and it's subject to interruption. For example, Ellen cannot come to the phone because she is sleeping. What is the action that Ellen can doing at that moment? Sleeping is the action. So the sentence is she is sleeping. Ellen cannot come to the phone because she is asleep. Okay, how is formed the present continuous? We have three forms. The present continuous: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Uh, we are talk about of the affirmative. Firstly, we're beginning with the affirmative form. Okay, we have subject place, to be place verb with ing. So the example would be she is taking. Note that the color as are designed. Subject is green with she. Sub she, the verb the verb to be is, and the verb with ing talking. She is talking. Negative form: subject place, to be place, not place, verb with ing. She is not, or the other form is isn't. She isn't talking. Interrogative form: to be plus subject plus interrogative form with ing. Not is, subject is she, and interrogative form with ing is talking. Is she talking? Now we are we repeat the example. Affirmative, and she is talking. Negative, she is not talking. And interrogative is she talking? Now we are going to see the negative form of the present continuous tense. For example, at this moment you are listening to me in my class. You are not listening to Zino Zinga. You are listening to me in my class, and you are not listening to Zino Zinga. This stage has relation with one action that you are not doing at this moment. We repeat. This stage has relation with one action that you are not doing at this moment. Other example: Maria is sleeping at this moment, so Maria is not watching a movie. Interrogative form, excuse me by the word, is but right for form. Interrogative form of the present continuous. Interrogative form, it is used to form question about something that is happening now. For example, are you listening to me? Yes, I listen to you. What are you doing? I'm looking. I'm looking at you. Evaluation. Students here read and taught or read aloud one or two simple stories to become more familiar with the present continuous tense. In this stage, it goes shown a story to the students with only image in which we have everyday events that happen in the real life, for example, in the house, in the park, or in other place. Then the students are going to write the present continuous in each one of these images. For example, the image that shows to the people playing football. The correct sentences will be they are playing football. Uh, this is other points of the evaluation. the student write the ing correct verb for the next verb: read, play, listen, sleep. So we know that the correct verb is reading, playing, listening, sleeping, running. So the other point is that students write the affirmative or negative sentence with the verbs in the tall books. For example, we are to see the correct sentence, the first correct sentence. He is at the university. So the students must complete the other sentences. The boys, I am, my task, that, breakfast, the teacher, a point. Okay. The other the other point in the evaluation, this point is to evaluate the interrogative form of the present continuous tense. The students write interrogative sentence. For example, are you English? Yes, I am. Not, I am not. Are you soccer today? Yes, we are. No, we're not. Another task, another more task. Sorry, another more task does not. Another more task is but right. Conclusion: the web 2.0 is very important in our time because we can integrate the activities in an easier way in order to be competent and to the students learn a lot with these tools. So the conclusion is that the web 2.0 is very important tools in our life in which we can integrate the curriculum or some class, or we can teach the students in more easy way. And yes, this is the conclusion. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Eliseo, the creator of this video.